right, well, got $1,000 worth of fireworks for about a little over 7. Got me a good deal, as usual, every year. Been doing this for about 10 years now, and always satisfied.
Yes, sir. What's your favorite fireworks you got this year?
You know, I haven't seen them yet, but I'm really excited to check these out. I like new stuff.
Oh, the Exterminators.
Yep, I want to see how they fly. And I am definitely, you recommended the Boss.
Mm-hmm.
I am excited about that one.
They're all
As well as the... What are you getting? Ah, highfalutin.
Oh, yeah.
Because that's what we are.
49 shots. That one's a bruiser. Quite a banger. And you got the Boss, which is a banger. 16 shots. You got the 2 for 80 deals right here.
Yep.
You got the 2 for 55. You got two for 55s. You got the $59 package right here. You tell us about the $59 package. Let's see this one.
Yeah. Always got something to lead up to the big event. We usually set this off maybe a day or two before the big event. We have our own property up north. So, and the kids love to, you know, have a little something to look at every evening.
Yeah, and it's $120 worth of fireworks. Today only for $59.99, so it's 50% off the ticket. So there you go. You even got your firecrackers too.
Yep.
So man, you got everything this year.
Yeah, just like every year.
All right. Yes, sir. Well, thanks for coming into Casey's again.
Our pleasure.
All right.
Well, happy 4th of July.
Yeah, happy 4th of July, y'all. All right.